You need to watch this if you struggle with investing. Welcome back to the channel. Today I'm breaking down some simple tips to get you started on your investing journey. Whether you're 15 or 50, these basics will help set you on the right path. First off, let's talk about the power of compound interest. Imagine planting a tree. You don't just get one apple the first year, you get a whole orchard over time. The same goes for your money. Start investing early, and let your money grow and multiply. Next up, diversify. Don't put all your eggs in one basket. Spread your investments across different areas: stocks, bonds, real estate, and even some fun stuff like collectibles. This way, if one thing doesn't work out, you've got other areas that might. Now let's talk about risk tolerance. Not everyone likes roller coasters, right? Same thing with investing. Know how much risk you can handle. It's okay to start safe and get more adventurous as you learn. Remember, education is key. Read books, watch videos, listen to podcasts. The more you know, the better choices you'll make. And hey, you're already doing great by watching this video. Lastly, keep your emotions in check. The market goes up and down. Don't freak out or get too excited. Stick to your plan and stay consistent. Alright, that's it for today's quick investing tips. If you found this helpful, hit that like button and subscribe for more. Drop a comment if you have any questions or want to share your own tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you next time. Stay smart, stay invested, and keep growing.